hear noises, it's because we have tons of dogs. I'm watching my in-laws' dogs. Well, dog. I have my dog, and then I have another dog. So there's a lot of dogs here. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Misa, and I am crazy about helping you enhance your foundation routine. I upload videos every Monday and Wednesday here, and today we are doing another The Truth series. This is a foundation series in which I review a foundation. We go over the ingredients, see if they match up with the claims, and the ingredients themselves don't always match up with the claims. So if any of that interests you, go ahead and keep on watching.
Yeah, you know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now.
Today we are going over the Kosas Tinted Face Oil. This is a whopping $42 and there's 16 shades. I was thinking to myself recently, but I try to buy almost every new release, and it gets expensive because all these foundations are like $38, $40, $42. And I just don't understand why they are so expensive. Who decided that $40 is like a standard high-end foundation price? And then I was on Nordstrom the other day and there was a foundation for $130. I'm just not that point in my life where I want to try out a $130 foundation. So this is an Allure Best of Beauty Award winner. This is supposed to be a makeup and skincare. It's clean, it's weightless, a velvety finish. It's supposed to moisturize and even your skin tone as well. Oh, there's 6 different oils in here that are supposed to really help your skin. For the shades, 16 shades. We need to touch on that really fast because that's really not a lot when I was looking at the undertones and just the whole spectrum of it. So in case you're looking to match the shade, I have a medium to tan skin tone with neutral undertones. Usually when I look through a foundation list, the ingredients are really like spot on. Like I see them all the time. With this, and I was like, what in the, I was thrown for a loop. I was going through a maze. I was like, how in the world are they using all these different things, and how in the world is this supposed to work? The claims are the avocado oil and meadow foam oil are supposed to moisturize and plump your skin. Red raspberry oil and jojoba oil will soothe your skin. Camellia seed oil and rosehip oil balances and brighten. What else you need to know? This is supposed to be weightless, serum-like formula, with sheer coverage and a natural velvety finish. It's supposed to go on super easy with no heavy feel, cakey look, or tricky application. There's only like 15 ingredients in this, which is insane. Before we start, I have dry skin. So the first ingredient is called cocoa caprylate. This one is a good ingredient according to Paula's Choice Dictionary. That's where I get all of my information from. Always keep in mind, I'm not a medical professional. I'm not a dermatologist. I'm not an esthetician. This is just simply for fun. Also, the first 5 ingredients make up about 80% of the product. All right, so that's a good ingredient. The next one is jojoba oil. Chompers, it's your turn. So jojoba oil is one of the best oils. In fact, I have this in some of my other products and I love it. It's non-fragrant, which is key here. Amazing for soothing your skin, and it's amazing for dry skin. Jojoba oil is just less greasy than other oils. Next ingredient is also an oil. It's called avocado oil. So if you're an avocado lover, well, here you go. This is the skin tint for you. Avocado oil, it's one of the best oils you can use as well as jojoba oil, but it's an emollient, it's non-fragrant, it's an antioxidant, and it's a skin replenishing fatty acid. Ingredient number 4 is silica. So this is a good ingredient as well. It's a mineral and it helps to enhance the texture of foundation. It also works as absorbent and also a thickener. 5th ingredient is kaolin. A lot of the times you'll see this in a face mask that used to really dry up oils and oily skin, but because of that, it can be really drying. So just researching and looking at those ingredients, Kosas used some of the most top-notch ingredients. They didn't add anything in there that was unnecessary. So the formula of this is amazing. So really we just have to go off of the application and how it wears throughout the day to see if it's really worth the $42. So let's go ahead and get into the application test. All right, let's apply this. I haven't opened this yet. My shade is in shade number 5. It does say to shake before every use. This emulsifies, so mix together the pigment and the oil. Okay, packaging is very basic, but standard. You can use this with your hand or a brush. I'm just going to use a brush, and then, ooh, I forgot to tell you what I primed my face with. I primed this with the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. Holy cow, guys, this is amazing. Apply it on, and oh, it goes on incredible. It's just clear. You know, how many SPFs do that? I've been using this Tatcha one for a while now, which I like. It also works great as a primer, but you do kind of have to rub it in a little. So if you're looking for something really nice, quick, easy, clean ingredients, you just don't have to worry about, period, this is such a great option. All right, let's just go in with a couple drops. Okay. It's not bad. Why don't I try my fingers? Let's just try this. Oh yeah, I think fingers are definitely the way to go. This brush is just soaking up all the product.
To show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out.
I'm going to go wash my hands. All right, so I did go in with not a lot of layers, but it does leave just of the very thinnest layer. You can still see my freckles. The color, I'd say, is a pretty good color match. Like, it's not too tan, the undertone isn't showing too much. So with that, a lot of these shades might work. They can just be really adjustable, but I do need to go in with concealer and other makeup, and I'm going to do that really quick. I just finished doing my makeup, and this is what it looks like. Really quickly, everything I use, the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Pressed Powder. I just lightly dusted this just to kind of lightly set everything. And then I also use my Hourglass Loose Setting Powder to set my concealer. Always have to set the concealer. Bronzer. So I've been using this Aesthetica bronzer. Got it in a BoxyCharm last month, and it's just been a great hit. It blends out really well. It's beautiful. It's the perfect color for me, which I thought this was too light initially, but it's not. Blush, Patrick Ta, She's Sincere. Just a very subtle light peach shade. Brows, you know, I've just been keeping it really basic lately. My Foolproof Brow Powder in the shade number 3. And then I use my 24-hour brow setter just to kind of like shape all those in. Guys, I tried a new mascara. Bought this. This is the Essence Lash Princess. I've heard great things about it. I'm just struggling with mascaras. I have my L'Oreal Double Extend, which I love. I'm like, I just want to kind of try something else, but I'm nervous to see how this lasts throughout the day. There's nothing more than I dislike is raccoon eyes. Raccoon. Highlight went in with my Revlon Skin Light. Lip color, I just kept it simple with the Sugar Petal Fresh SPF Lip Tint. Initial thoughts, this is a velvety finish. It definitely, I don't know, I like the finish. Like, it has a little bit of a matte, a little bit of radiance, but doesn't flatten you out. I feel like my skin still looks like skin. It doesn't feel heavy. My only concern is this going to last throughout the day? Right now it is 7:30 a.m. I need my makeup to look good. Today at 5 o'clock, our house builder has an open house for his Parade Homes home, and hoping I don't need to touch up too much. I'll keep you guys posted. We'll follow along, and we'll see exactly how this wears throughout the day. So I'll see you guys soon. I'm here for my first check-in. It is 1:15, so the foundation has been on for, gosh, 7, 8, 3, 9, almost 6 hours. 6 hours, right? This is what it's looking like. I feel like my bronzer looks good, my highlight looks good. If anything, skin tints are just kind of weird to me because I like coverage, but with skin tints, you just don't get that. It feels comfortable. It just, I don't know what I think about like all day wear. I do like it better than the Morphe Hint skin tint. It just sits better on the skin. I'm just worried about its staying power. Like, how long is it gonna stay? I'm going to do a quick workout, nothing too intense because I don't want to sweat off all this makeup. I have something in 3.5 hours, and I feel like I'm going to have to retouch up my makeup 100%. This new mascara I used, I'm not convinced, people. I'm telling you, it's so hard to find a good mascara. I will check back in a little bit.
Cause I don't want nobody to change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind leads me then I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind leads me then I ain't nobody perfect.
Well, folks, foundation has been on for 12 hours. It's almost 7:30. So I thought I'd do my final check-in in natural light. This is what it looks like. I did have to retouch up my bronzer and my highlight. With that, I feel like it looks a lot better. You know, if you're someone who just like really likes light coverage, this would be a great option. It feels comfortable. I'm even impressed by like the actual formula in itself and how it's held up. I'm going to try some of my favorite bronzers as well, just to see if maybe that bronzer stays longer as well. So follow me on Instagram to keep you updated, but that's kind of where I'm at. The ingredients looked amazing. The wear power of this is amazing. I just need to kind of tweak things a little bit. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Have you tried out this foundation? So let me know. Leave any comments down below that any foundations that you want me to try out. I have the new Selena Gomez foundation coming. It's on its way. So be sure to check that out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.